Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another 3D model using Fusion 360. So let's get started. Click on sketch and choose front plane. Now create rough sketch of side view and make the sketch fully defined with dimensions. Now choose extrude and select the profile and enter the value. Now select this face and click on sketch. Use offset command to create lines and create a circle in the center as shown. Use trim command to remove unwanted lines. Now we have the profile which we need to cut. So choose extrude command and select the profile and drag it to cut. Now we have to create another cut on this plane. So select this face and click on sketch. Use offset command to create lines as shown. Now choose the profile and extrude it. So we have successfully completed our 3D model as per the drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Also check out our website for doing engineering calculations with our integrated calculator. Also read our blogs for staying updated with latest industry trends. Link is given in the description, so do check it out.